Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for a new suit for your little guy, I've got something that you're gonna like here. This suit is just wonderful. We bought it for my son. We had a special occasion coming up where he needed a new suit. They were all so expensive. So I looked at a middle grade one that wasn't too cheap and wasn't too expensive, and I found this, and I'm so happy with this. It doesn't feel like a cheap suit. It's got real good stitching. It's very thick, but not too thick that it's going to be too hot. You can see that it comes with the jacket, the vest, a shirt, the pants, and a tie. We don't have the tie right now because it's in the wash. He wears it with other suits also. But this is by far the best suit that he has. You can see the inside of it is lined, and he looks so good in this suit. He doesn't really need another suit at this time, but when he does need another suit, I am definitely gonna buy this one again. And it comes in a lot of different styles and a lot of different colors. So I highly recommend this. It's really done our family a lot of good, and that's my point of view.